Have you ever opened a ServiceNow ticket and felt completely lost? Whether you're just starting out in IT or want to confidently handle incidents like a pro, stay with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly what each field means, using a real example step by step. Step 1. Ticket starts. Here, category and subcategory. When an incident comes in, this is where your journey starts. The category defines the domain of the issue. In this example, it's set to application/software, and the subcategory is ServiceNow Event Management. This narrows down the scope of the issue immediately. Pro tip: choosing the wrong category can misroute the ticket. Always match with what monitoring or user description says. Step 2. Drill down with subcategories. Here's what most beginners miss. The subcategory isn't just a filler. Options like error message, performance, or in our case, ServiceNow Event Management help drive automation behind the scenes for ticket handling and routing. Why it matters. Right subcategories trigger correct SLAs, escalations, and knowledge-based suggestions. Step 3. Who opened it and how? Look at the contact type. It's set to integrations, meaning this ticket was auto-raised by a tool like NetView. The caller is the system account. That means no user interaction. It's a back-end alert. Why it's important? These alerts usually point to server health, job failures, or thresholds being crossed. Step 4. What's the status? Now let's decode the heartbeat of the ticket. The state. You can move from new in progress, on hold resolved closed. In this case, it's in progress. Someone has picked it up. Avoid mistake. Don't set resolved unless resolution notes and category are filled. Step 5. Prioritizing the issue. Impact and urgency combine to form priority. Here, both are set to low, making it priority 4. But what if it was a server down alert? You'd set urgency to high and impact to high too. That would trigger P1 SLA. Use this formula. Impact: how many people times urgency, how fast, equals priority. Step 6. Assignment clarity image. 6. Assignment group and assign to our critical fields. This ensures the ticket doesn't float around, it goes to the right team. Pro tip: always make sure the group is aligned with the category, subcategory. No point assigning an application ticket to the database team. Step 7. Description field. Never ignore this section. This is the summary of the alert. Here, we see a job problem alert with a specific job name, timestamp, and server ID. Use this info to start your investigation, go to logs, monitoring, or speak to the job owner. Best practice: copy-paste this into your troubleshooting notes. It's your starting point. Step 8. Confirmation and review. Before clicking update, review. Is the priority correct? Has the right team been assigned? Is there a clear short description? Have you added work notes if needed? Golden rule: a well-filled ticket means fewer escalations and faster closures. And that's it. In just 8 steps, you've learned how to confidently read and act on any ServiceNow incident ticket. Want it, pin? Remember, tickets aren't just forms. They're stories. Learn to read them right, and you'll stand out as a true IT problem solver.